Top 7 Luxembourg recruitment agencies hiring foreign workers. Thinking about working in Luxembourg? Don't send your CV until you watch this video. Today, I'll reveal 7 trusted recruitment agencies that work with employers in Luxembourg, the industries they're hiring for, and the biggest mistake that causes many job seekers to lose money. Let's get started. Why Luxembourg? Luxembourg is one of Europe's wealthiest countries, offering competitive salaries, excellent working conditions, and strong demand for skilled professionals. Many international companies recruit foreign workers, especially in IT, healthcare, finance, engineering, logistics, construction, and hospitality. Now let's look at the agencies that can help you find these opportunities. Number 1, ADEM. First is ADEM, Luxembourg's official national employment agency. Thousands of vacancies are advertised through ADEM every year. If you're searching for legal job opportunities and official employment information, this should be your first stop. Number 2, Manpower Luxembourg. Next is Manpower Luxembourg. They recruit for logistics, warehousing, engineering, finance, office administration, customer service, and IT. Both temporary and permanent jobs are available throughout the year. Number 3, Adecco Luxembourg. Adecco Luxembourg is another leading recruitment agency. They regularly hire for construction, manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, retail, logistics, and office support roles. It's a good option for both experienced and entry-level candidates. Number 4, Randstad Luxembourg. Randstad Luxembourg works with many international companies. Their vacancies often include banking, finance, engineering, logistics, administration, and customer service positions. Number 5, Michael Page Luxembourg. If you already have professional experience, Michael Page Luxembourg is worth checking. They recruit for finance, legal, HR, technology, sales, marketing, procurement, and management positions. Number 6, LHH Luxembourg. LHH Luxembourg focuses on experienced professionals. Their opportunities include executive recruitment, engineering, finance, consulting, and management careers. Number 7, Greenfield Luxembourg. Finally, Greenfield Luxembourg. They specialize in finance, legal, compliance, investment funds, corporate services, and real estate recruitment. Don't get scammed. Here's the most important part. Never pay anyone who promises you a guaranteed job or work visa. Real employers interview candidates and follow official immigration procedures. Always apply through official company or agency websites, prepare a professional CV, and make sure your documents are genuine. Final message. Finding a job in Luxembourg takes patience, but using trusted recruitment agencies can improve your chances. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Visa Experts AIM, and turn on the notifications